Versatile, compact, and easy to use. The RYOBI 18V compact sprayer sprays up to 20 feet, allowing you to easily spray herbicides, insecticides, fungicides, and most other lawn and garden chemicals in those hard-to-reach areas. With the adjustable nozzle, quickly select between spraying, misting, or fogging to find the right pattern for your needs. Powered by an 18V 1+ battery, the electric pump provides consistent pressure with no pumping required. The half-liter tank is ideal for small gardens, windows or doorways, and spot applications with the ability to spray up to 200 tanks per charge. For even more versatility, the Quick Connect outlet allows you to easily switch between different accessory tank sizes for larger jobs. The RYOBI 18V compact sprayer, part of the OnePlus system, exclusively at the Home Depot.